walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, as you guys can see by the title below, this is going to be one of my highly requested videos, which I'm not sure why this video is so highly requested, because I just recently did a what was on my iPhone, honey, right here. And in that video, you guys was like, can you show us how you edit your Instagram photos? And I was like, let me go ahead and give y'all the tea, honey. And you know what's crazy is that I have quite a few editing apps. Like maybe if I took a picture in the dark and it wasn't as bright, I'll use certain apps to light up my pictures, certain apps to darken up my pictures if they're super bright. Or if I have like a pimple or something, I will use a certain app to, you know, smooth out that pimple or something like that. Or if I wanted to make my highlight pop, like, you know, in real life, this highlight is popping. But sometimes when you take a photo, it may not even show up in that photo how popping that makeup is. Like, this makeup is popping, right? But sometimes if I take a picture, it's not going to look like this. It may, what's the word? Like, I don't know. Kind of like, as you guys can see, you can see it really good. But honestly, while I'm filming, you guys probably can't even tell I have glitter because the light in here is kind of bright because this room is kind of dark. But you guys can't probably tell because of my lights and my ring light. But that's another way to make sure your pictures come out perfectly, is to take a picture in front of a ring light. Now, you guys, you're not always going to have a ring light with you every time you go somewhere clearly. But you guys can get like one of those selfie ring lights. You can get them on eBay, Amazon for like $6, $10. And it takes really good pictures at nighttime if you want to take like a selfie, or you want to get more light on your photos or your videos. So I only use one app the most, and that is the app that I will be showing you guys. I was going to do like a screen recording right here, but you guys know I'm an OG, honey, so I'm going to flip my camera around to show you guys like up close and personal on my phone exactly how I do edit my photos. And with this app, it's really easy, you guys. Like, you guys will see how easy this app that I'm going to show you guys is. And if you don't want to have like so many different apps on your phone, then you can just get this app, honey, because this app is the tea. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys the tea. I'm going to give you guys the plug. And that's pretty much it for this intro. Don't forget to watch my previous videos. I did film the kids what they got for Christmas video today, which you guys will see me in the same outfit in that video as well, because I am filming multiple videos in one day, because you guys know I've been busy lately and I'm trying to get out as many videos as I can for you guys. I am going to be filming holiday videos as well, so stay tuned for that. And I will be doing giveaways. Also, there is a giveaway in that video, so make sure you guys go check that video out if you guys want to win some money, honey, to help out with your Christmas shopping and stuff like that. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how I edit this look, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the app that I use to edit majority of all my Instagram photos is called Lensa. I know you guys are probably like, it's just one app. Yes, because with this app you can do so many things, and you don't have to have all these photo editing apps to use storage on your devices when this one app does everything. So thank you so much, Lensa, for sponsoring this video as well. I think it's pretty cool how I've been using this app and I'm partnering with the company, so I think that's amazing. So thank you again, once again, for sponsoring this video. So this is what the app looked like now. As you guys can see, I am using it for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So when you open up the app, this is what the app looked like. They give you an example of like different options you have when it comes to editing
your photos and things like that. But you guys know what? I'm going to show you guys so you guys can get a look and feel of how the app is going to look once you install it on your device. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to the App Store and download the app. It's spelled Lensa, Lensa, which as you guys can see, it is a photo editing app. As you guys can also see, it shows you everything. It gives you like a tutorial. And a really good thing about this app, if you go on to the reviews right here, they have 11,000 views. And I'm very, very, very interested in what people have to say about an app before I download it. They have some really, really good reviews when it comes to this app. It works phenomenal. It's like a one-stop shop, you guys. Also, out of 5 stars, as you guys can see, clearly right here, they have 5 out of 5 stars, which is always good. So if you click on it and you go up and you see right here, they're just showing you how the app works. You have auto correction, you can adjust the background, you can blur the background out, you can adjust, you can put motions. It just has so many different features as you guys can see. And then right here, you can just do a one-tap photo editor. The majority of the time, that is what I use right here, auto correction, because to me, auto correction just does everything you need in one with one tap of a button. I don't like to go and edit my photos a lot because then the photo starts to look edited. The good thing about Lensa is once you go in here and you edit your photo to your own liking, it's not going to look like you photoshopped it or you went to the extreme to edit your photos. But this is why I always just use auto correction, because it does everything for you with one click of a button. And then right here, it just says you can save natural skin texture. And that is one of the reasons why I love this app, because it looks really, really good once you're completely done editing your photo. It does not take away from the photo. It just adds more beauty to your photos. Right here, it says Pro Grade Background Blur. This is one of the best features I love. Some apps that I've had in the past, when it comes to blurring your background, you have to go in there and do that to kind of like blur your photo. With this one, you just click it, or you can slide it, you know, from high to low, depending on how much you want to take away from your background. But it doesn't make the background look ugly. It just makes the background look blurred, but it's still pretty at the same time. And then also in here, which I love, you can actually go in here and retouch your videos, which is amazing. Tell me what app you can go to and do this. I have been using photo editing apps for a while, you guys, and this is the best feature I feel like Lensa have, besides the one touch auto correction, is retouch video. And then you can also remove eye bags. So like if you're tired and stuff like that, girl, you had a long day of work, or you know, a long day out with your man, honey, you can go in here and you can remove the eye bags right here, as you guys can see by this example. Right here, you just have a wide range of tools, which is always located at the bottom, which you can just swipe up. I'll go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to use this app. And I'm honestly going to show you guys how easy it is for me to go in here and edit my Instagram photos. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It's just going to say, welcome. Lensa is a visual editing app made especially for portrait and selfies, which is amazing. Once you click next, you're going to see all the magic that happens when you just do the magic correction. As you guys can see, you can do like a little quick tutorial right here. It'll show you how dark the photo is, and if you can see, hopefully it shows, you can see how it auto corrected it and fixed everything perfectly. If you click next, you want to see how the black background blur effect is. So you just click try background blur, and as you guys can see, it did not take away from the photo. It just makes the photo pop more and the background blur at the same time. And then, like I said, you can do video retouch, and these are all the advanced editing at the bottom. If you're in the app, it's going to have this example over here to the top of the page. You want to go ahead and go in here and try to edit this photo of your own liking to see how you would edit your own photos. just so you can try the photo editing app out and things like that. So as you guys can see, this young lady has a lot of blemishes and pimples on her face. I don't ever have that problem because I can't say I do have really good skin, thank the Lord. But as you guys can see, if you click auto correction, it made her eyes pop more, her eyebrows a little darker, her hair color pop more, her lips pop more, her lips pop more, which you do have a feature to pop the lips more. It took away all the blemishes, all the pimples and everything in her photo, and it actually blurred the background and everything like that. As you guys can see down here, you can have the options to blur up or down, but honestly, you don't have to do none of that because with auto correction, it did everything for you, as you guys can see. You also have the options to go in here and flip the photos. You also can go back and redo the photo as well. Then you can go back and click the options right here, which is go back or go forward. As you guys can see, it went back to the original way the picture looks. Also, you guys, if you slide up, you see all these options. Like I say, eye size, nose size, shadow, highlights, lens correction, lip color, eyebrows, teeth whitening, eye contrast, all these features. But you guys, if you go to background, you see you can go up or down to blur the photo. You have motion and things like that. Also, you have adjust, which you guys, number 2 is my favorite one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I would edit one of my photos that I chose to edit. And honestly, you guys, I go in here. The first thing I do is go to adjust, and I click number 2 to see how much of the photo is going to pop. As you guys can see down here, the intensity is 100, but I take my intensity down to like 50. And because it is fall right now, you guys, I feel like number 2 always just makes the picture look very saturated, very vibrant, and very warm. That's how I like my photos to look when it comes to like the fall time. So I'm going to just take it down to probably like right here, which looks really, really good to me. Then I go back to face and I just click auto correction. And to me, it looks really, really good. Sometimes I will stroll down to my eyebrows. And sometimes when you take a photo, it kind of makes your eyebrows look darker than they look in real life. So I like to take my eyebrows all the way up to a 10. And hopefully you guys can see it made my eyebrows a lot darker. Sometimes the lip color I choose, you guys know I love the Sephora collection number 12 and 13 lip combo. So sometimes if I take a picture, it can kind of make my lips blend with my skin a little bit if I don't outline the lips with a brown lip liner. So I like to take my lips all the way up to a 10 to make my lips pop more so it won't kind of like blend in with my face. And then that's pretty much all I do. Sometimes I will go in here and make my eye size bigger just to make my eyes pop more. And I don't do anything else down here because to me the photo is really, really good. And then that's pretty much it. At the top right here, you just click this arrow to download, and you can click this right here to share. This is all I do, you guys, to edit my photos. I do highly recommend this app. The link will be down in the description for you guys to go download this app. If you guys do decide to download this app, snap me on Snapchat or Instagram, tag me in your photos so I can see your before and after, honey, because y'all know how Instagram is, honey. You know, you got to come with the photos. So with that being said, I say thank you again, Lensa, for sponsoring this video.
So I hope you guys enjoyed how I edit my Instagram photos. If you guys are interested in getting that app, I will have it linked down below for Android and for iPhone users. Like I said, don't forget to go check out my last video, is the kids' Christmas wish list. And that video is a giveaway. So definitely go check that video out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so you guys can know every time I do post a video, because YouTube have definitely been slacking on sending notifications to my subscribers. But it's all good because y'all know I fucks with y'all and y'all fucks with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.